Hey everybody, I'm at work right now and it's towards the end of the day, thank goodness, and there was the cutest bunny that I ever saw. So I'll show you like the next clip. Okay, I'll show you. Look how cute he looks. Look how cute he looks. It is so adorable. So cute. There was two of them and I got the one earlier and this is the second one. Oh my gosh, it's the cutest thing ever. Oh my gosh, little bunny. The little bunny just eating here. It's a little bunny. It's a little bunny.
It's a big bunny.
Not too big. Oh my goodness. You can see it. Wait, don't knock that off. It's just a bunny. Oh my goodness, it's adorable.
That's a big bunny.
It's not a big bunny, it's just a small bunny.
It's a small bunny.
Yeah.